Hey guys, it's Ashley B back with another video. And if you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you are my regular subbies, thank you so much for the continued support right here on my page. And if you are new to my channel, I do want you to do one thing for me, one thing only, and that's to hit the subscribe button so that when I post a new video, you'll know and you can click on it and let me know what you think. So today I am here to unbox my favorite box. Y'all, I know I've been rocking with CurlBox basically since I started my hair journey, and I will be unboxing January 2018's CurlBox. So the box, when we got it this month, it was a little bit bigger than the normal size box. Soon as I opened up the box, one of the products was sitting on top of the box. So it was a dead giveaway right there as to what was in the box. So here's the box. Seal is not broken for the rest of the products, but still, I already know what brand it's gonna be. But I'm still not gonna tell y'all until I break this seal. Don't be trying to give me the snitch, cause I ain't no snitch like that. So I'm just gonna, y'all just gonna have to wait. Oh, whoa. We got the Culture Edition. Culture Edition by African Pride. I don't know about y'all, but I just love this. I love it. I love all of that. Yeah, I like that. So like I said, the first thing that came out that was sitting on top of the box was the African Pride Moisture Miracle Detangle and Condition Pre-Poo. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I pre-poo on and off. Like, it's not really a big deal to me. I really just look for the detangling part. That's what I gotta make sure I'm detangling, because I can't just be throwing stuff up in my hair. My hair too nappy sometimes. I'm just saying, them days where I leave it up in that puff for like 2 weeks, the detangling be real. Next, in African Pride, we have the Moisture Miracle Hydrate and Strengthen Leave-In Cream. And this little jar it's a big jar too. This is a 15-ounce jar. Yes, that's big. And then we have the Moroccan Clay and Shea Butter Detox and Soften Heat Activated Mask. And that's interesting. I've never seen like a heat activated mask. So I'm just flipping through real quick. Yeah, that's new. I'm gonna try that, y'all. I'm gonna try that. The African Pride Strengthen and Protect 5 essential oils with vitamin E. And then we have, I don't know why this just, I don't know. Honey, chocolate, and coconut oil conditioner. I don't know. It's just, don't it look like it's finna do something to y'all hair? Like, if you look at it, it just looks like it's just finna melt in your hair and just like give your hair life. Like, I don't know why. Now I just want to go upstairs and wash my hair with it. Like, and then we have one more piece, which would be the Soft Bonnets Dryer Attachment that you can use with the Heat Activated Mask. That was dope. So in this whole box, basically we got 5 products, but 6 things in total. This is dope. I always tell y'all every time I get a CurlBox to get y'all a CurlBox. I just love the CurlBox because I stay so busy between work, school, and my kids that oftentimes I do not have time to run out and personally handpick and shop. And for those of you who don't know, one of my children has autism. So I spend a lot of time advocating for him outside of the cameras and behind closed doors. I spend a lot of time advocating for him, so I don't have a whole lot of time to just personally shop. I spend a lot of time No! So I spent a lot of time advocating for my son. And so, yeah, I don't have a lot of time to, go out and hand shop. So the CurlBox brings it to my front door. And I'm so grateful for it. And it's only $25 a month. I guarantee you all of this is not $25 at all. Usually the dryer attachment by itself is like $10 to $12. So I'm always shouting out CurlBox because they get me together, honey. Um, I am working on a story time. I have so many stories to tell you guys. I'm just trying to make sure. I mean, I just don't know if I want to take y'all to my ratchet young side, or I got a lot of ratchet stories from when I was younger, things that I grew out of. And yeah, so I don't know if I want to tell a story time about any of that. I think I'm going to have to take it back, way, way back, so y'all can get to know me before the me now. Makes sense? Makes sense. I was not always this calm. And, okay, I'm not calm. I'm a dork. I'm dingy. But I was not always like this. I was a problem child coming up. So, I'm going to have to take it back to y'all and give y'all a little bit of mixture up on my channel here. And, I'll give you my hair stuff, and then I'll give you a little bit of extra stuff so you can get to know me on a personal level. I don't have nothing else. Actually, it's almost time for me to get ready for work, so I better get up out of here. I don't have anything else for me. So to you, be blessed, stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye.